Hi everyone, myself Abir Koyal and welcome to my channel Competitive Chemistry, where you will get chemistry related videos for your preparation like IIT JEE, Main, Advanced, NEET, etc. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. So today we will discuss about another method of determining the percentage composition of nitrogen. There is two methods for determining or estimating the nitrogen. One is Dumas method and another one is Gelder's method. Okay, so now we will first see about the Dumas method and then we will see about the Gelder's method in this video. So coming to the Dumas method. So nitrogen containing organic compound when heated with copper oxide in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide yields free nitrogen in addition to carbon dioxide and water. So the reaction basically is like this. So you have organic compound and you are heating this organic compound with this copper oxide. So you will get carbon dioxide, water as well as nitrogen and free copper. So here I have not drawn any stoichiometric, but I am just giving the yield of the product when organic compound react with this copper oxide. Now coming to this picture or diagram where the overall process will be understood. So see, this is a tube. Here carbon dioxide will go, there is a furnace and here you have put it the copper oxide with your organic compound. So the organic compound react with the copper in the atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Okay, and will produce water, free nitrogen gas as well as carbon dioxide is there. Now traces of nitrogen oxides can be formed with the reaction of this organic compound with copper oxide. So that nitrogen oxide can be reduced by this copper gauge, reduced copper gauge present here. Okay, so total we will get carbon dioxide plus nitrogen gas. Okay, so the gas mixture now will come here. So this is a mercury seal. Okay, and there is KOH solution. So when the mixture of carbon dioxide as well as nitrogen will come here, so there is present KOH solution which will absorb this carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas will be go up here. So this is a graduated tube. So in the graduated tube we can collect the nitrogen gas on the top of this graduated tube. So we can collect. So this is the overall procedure of the mechanism. So how we can collect the nitrogen gas from the organic compound. Okay, now coming to this calculation step. So suppose the mass of the organic compound is m gram and the volume of nitrogen collected V1 ml. So in the graduated tube we have collected the nitrogen which has the volume suppose V1 ml. Okay, and the room temperature is T1 Kelvin. Now pressure, here the pressure is not same as atmospheric pressure. What will be the pressure? So pressure will be like the atmospheric pressure minus aqueous tension. Aqueous tension, what is aqueous tension? So here the aqueous solution of KO is present, so it will give some pressure, so that is called aqueous pressure or aqueous tension. So the pressure here, the pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure minus aqueous tension. Okay, so here as you can see that suppose that pressure is P1. Okay, now at STP we know that the temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 760 millimeter Hg. So now we have to calculate the volume of nitrogen at STP. So we have to calculate this. Now from our childhood we have come across this equation, which is P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. So we have to calculate this V2. We know the P1, which is this, V1 value we know, T1 value we know, P2 value we know, and T2 value we know. So from the equation we can calculate the V2. So V2 is the volume of nitrogen collected at STP. Okay, now we know that 22,400 ml nitrogen at STP gives 28 gram nitrogen. So molar mass of nitrogen, we know that molar mass of nitrogen equals to 28. So 22,400 ml nitrogen at STP weighs 28 gram. So from this equation we have calculated this V2. So suppose this V2 is V. Okay, so then V ml nitrogen at STP will give how much? 28 divided by 22,400 into V. So this much amount of nitrogen we get. Okay, now we know that our organic compound, mass of our organic compound is m gram. So we can calculate that from m gram. So nitrogen, the volume of nitrogen we have calculated is coming from the organic compound. So we can tell that m gram compound, organic compound, will give us 28 by 22,000 into V, this much or this gram of nitrogen. So unitary method, so 1 gram will give 28 into V by 22,400 into m, this much of nitrogen. So 100 gram compound will give into 100 this much of nitrogen. So percentage of nitrogen will be this. Okay, this is the calculation from which we can determine the percentage of nitrogen present in a organic compound. Okay, now we will see another example or one numericals. So how can we solve these numericals? In Dumas method, for estimation of nitrogen, 0.3 gram of an organic compound gave 50 ml of nitrogen collected at 300 Kelvin temperature and 715 millimeter Hg pressure. Calculate percentage composition of nitrogen in the compound. So here first we have to calculate first we have to put the value which is given in the problem. So P1, so T1 here is 300 Kelvin. Okay, now V1 is 50 ml and P1 is, so we have to subtract 7115 minus aqueous tension 15 millimeter Hg. So we have to subtract this, so we will get 700 millimeter Hg. Now at STP we know, so at STP we know P2 is equal to 760 millimeter Hg, T2 we know 273 Kelvin. So we have to calculate V2, so volume of nitrogen at STP. So V2 will be P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. So we can calculate. So 7 to what happens, so like this. By 300. So V2 will be how much? 41.9 ml. So this will be the volume of nitrogen at STP. Now similar procedure, so 22,400 ml of nitrogen at STP will give 28 gram of nitrogen. So 41.9 ml, unitary method, 41.9 ml nitrogen at STP will be how much? 28 divided by 22,400 into 41.9 gram of nitrogen. So percentage of nitrogen will be, so the organic compound is 0.3 gram. So 0.3 gram organic compound contains this much gram of nitrogen. So 1 gram organic compound contains how much, and 100 gram organic compound contains how much. So percentage of nitrogen will be 28 into 41.9 into 100 divided by 22,400 into amount of organic compound, which is 0.3 gram. So the answer will be 17.46. So this is the percentage. So the answer will be 17.46%.